Welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to discuss about the mini project, how to select the project. Let's try to understand what do you mean by engineering project and what are the things are involved in an engineering project. The application of engineering knowledge acquired during the course to find a solution to a physical problem is called engineering project. Engineering projects involves outlining of the need, studying the background, carrying out the literature survey, defining the objectives of the project, studying the engineering principle to meet the objectives, then to conduct the feasibility test, then designing the components, determining the cost involved in it, how to fabricate the project, and testing of the project, and preparation of the report, and presentation of the results, and making a project manual are involved in an engineering project. In simple terms, your engineering project should have a established objective. How to identify or how to select a project? We can find the idea for the project through the website, through the YouTube, through the articles or the papers, or you can interact with the experts or the seniors. Students can begin their quest for the project by exploring the opportunities in different streams of their own domain. Dear students, you have gone through a variety of courses in this engineering course. Definitely, there will be some course which will be fascinating you, or you will be having little extra interest in that particular project or in that particular subject. So try to explore what best you can do in that particular project because you have got the required background to carry out the project. The knowledge about these is gained during the coursework. For example, in mechanical engineering, we have different streams like thermal, production, design, economy, and management. So, out of this, any one stream might have fascinated you. Try to explore them. Is there any possibility of conducting a project which will give solution to the physical problems which are existing in the social media or in social environment or in research environment or in day-to-day life environment? The only way is to work in team and gather information as much as possible about the area, about the stream in which we can conduct some kind of project. So, how to conduct the research that I am going to explain now. As I told earlier, you can get the idea about the project by either contacting the experts or by studying the papers or the articles, book chapters, visiting website or YouTube. So this should be carried out in three steps. The first search is a shallow search. In this shallow search, you have to read everything about the interested area or the streams which you like and write 5 line summary lines of the article, paper, or the video. Second search is the moderate search. In this step, you have to sort the articles or the idea which are feasible to execute within the available facilities. Then study the principles, mechanisms involved in it, components required for it, and fabrication method to be adopted to make the project. Last search is the deep search. Here you have to shortlist three ideas or three projects from the moderate search and prepare a project report based on your moderate search. Prepare a write up, so which is covering the principle, mechanism, and even you have to develop the 3D models and fabrication details. When you conduct this deep research, out of those three, you can select any one as your project and prepare the project proposal report. There are a variety of project areas which we can identify. You can have a project based on the research. It means conducting the experimentation or implementation of design of experimentation in order to find out the some regression analysis or optimization of the processes. You can have a mechanism based project. If any mechanism fascinates you, you can make use of that mechanism to make some useful work out of that. A simple example I can quote here: a reciprocation motion can be utilized to crush the plastic bottles, or the cutting mechanism can be used to cut the face mask which are nowadays used by the people in large number, and we are facing the problem with the disposable of it. You can take up any social issue. Right now the COVID-19 is taking place. There are certain issues are there. The one is touching of the different components without touching our fingers or the using the hands. You can think of simple equipments which will help humans to carry out the day-to-day activities or at public places without touching the articles. Lot of internet thing based projects can be done using mobile control or by uh, controlling the equipments in a automation way. That is, suppose a dustbin is there, if it is full, automatically it should shut off. Agriculture based projects you can have removal of the herbs or digging machines. So these all you can, or the sprinkling of the pesticide, running the pump on a solar energy. So many things you can do in the agriculture one. Analytical projects you can take it out. Basically it can be called as a software project also. If any new design is there, if any new material is to be considered, that you can do in analytical type of the projects. Numerical control based projects also you can do it, because a lot of mechatronics is developed and many equipments are available such as registers, transistors, microcontrollers. So we can conduct any project where we can make use of numerical control, such as portable drilling machine you can make it. Then you can have a project on modeling and analysis project. We are all learning about the modeling, 3D modeling. We can think of a new innovative idea to create the products and conduct its analysis. You can have a lateral thinking projects, what we call it is out of the box or very innovative projects. You can think of it. Mechatronics and Arduino that I already discussed. So specifically you can go for that. Instrumentation is the main focus when I talk about the mechatronics. Software based projects also you can go for it. Lot of softwares are available to carry out the different processes. For example, machining is there, forging is there. So you can carry out the simulation type of the projects. Even CFD also can be carried out as a project work. So these are the areas where you can think of carrying out a project. But remember, whatever may be the project, there must be some objective associated with it. It may be reduction of the cost, it may be use of a new power, mechanism, material, or a new technology. It may be modernization of the existing the machine. It may be fulfilling the present social requirement. Definitely it should be a innovative one. So in second part, I will be discussing about how to prepare the project report. Thank you for watching this video.